Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Vanguard Error Van 2266 inches League of Legends on PC. Whether you're stuck on launch, getting kicked out by Riot Vanguard, or seeing this error pop up again and again, this simple, step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get back into the game without frustration. First, before launching League of Legends, restart your PC completely. This might sound simple, but it's very important. Restarting refreshes Riot Vanguard and the Riot client, clears temporary background issues, and often fixes van errors instantly. Once your system boots back up, don't open the game just yet, move on to the next step. Next, let's reset your internet connection. Turn off your router by unplugging it from the power outlet. Remove all connected cables, then press and hold the power button on your router for about 20 seconds. This drains leftover power and clears cached network data. After that, reconnect all cables, plug the router back in, wait until the internet stabilizes, and reconnect your PC. This step helps eliminate temporary network conflicts that can trigger Vanguard Error Van 2266. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, avoid using VPNs or proxies, and close unnecessary background apps before launching the game. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent repeated Vanguard errors. Now, right-click on the Start menu and choose Run. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Right-click your active network adapter and select Properties. First, uncheck Internet Protocol version 6, also known as IPv6, then select Internet Protocol version 4, and click Properties. Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS. Click OK to save the changes. This ensures a more reliable connection to Riot servers. Next, click the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig.flushdns and press Enter. This clears outdated DNS records that may interfere with Vanguard communication. Once you've completed these steps, relaunch League of Legends normally. After that, you should be able to log in and play without seeing Vanguard Error Van 2266 again. It's also a good idea to keep Riot Vanguard and Windows fully updated to avoid future issues. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix Vanguard Error Van 2266 inches League of Legends easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?